In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the options available with Google Cloud Storage and how to make the most of its free tier plan. While many people are on the lookout for unlimited Google Cloud Storage, let's be upfront. There is no legitimate way to obtain unlimited free storage within Google Cloud. However, Google does provide a free tier with certain limits that we can utilize effectively. So, let's explore what this free tier entails and how you can best manage these resources. Google Cloud's free tier offers a variety of services, including cloud storage, but it's important to highlight that these services come with predefined restrictions. For storage, you're looking at 5 gigabytes of standard storage every month. In addition to storage, you're also allowed a certain number of operations, 5,000 Class A operations and 50,000 Class B operations. Finally, when it comes to data egress, which refers to the transfer of data out of Google Cloud to locations, the free tier permits up to 100 gigabytes of data transfer to North America. It's crucial to keep in mind that these limits are specific to particular U.S. regions, namely U.S. East 1, U.S. West 1, and U.S. Central 1, and they don't roll over from month to month. This means anything you don't use within a given month simply doesn't accumulate for future use, it just resets. Now, why is it that unlimited storage isn't an option? It's a pretty fair question, and it stems from the fact that cloud storage relies on physical infrastructure, real hardware. Offering unlimited free storage just isn't viable for companies like Google, as it would entail unmanageable costs and logistics. While you might stumble across various claims online promising unlimited storage, be wary. These often pertain to expired promotions, other Google services like Google Photos, or complex workarounds that don't exactly apply to Google Cloud Storage. When dealing with storage, it's always wise to regularly review which data you're holding onto and evaluate its necessity. Maximize your free tier by strategically organizing your digital assets and perhaps offloading less critical data to match the given quotas. Of course, if your needs begin to surpass these limits, it's worth considering an upgrade to a paid plan that fits your usage requirements. Understanding these structures not only helps you keep your budget in check, but also allows you to use Google Cloud Storage to its fullest capacity within its free confines. While unlimited isn't on the table, smart management and a clear understanding of the free tier will ensure you're getting the best out of the available resources. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more insights and tips on cloud management.